Welcome back. In this session, we are going to define characteristics. From here, you can define characteristics. Click on this one. So you need to give one a characteristics name here. Before starting this configuration, what we will do, we will give proper names for this one. For purchase order, we are going to use Z ORD value, Z doc type, Z PUR org, Z COMP D, CODE, Z COMP CODE, Z plant. These are the codes given for these characteristic. Copy this one, click on create. So here no need to enter this description manually. What we are going to do, we are going to additional data. So here whatever the gathered information here, CEKKO, that we are going to mention here. Take this from table name CEKKO, field this one, press enter. Data taken from above dictionary. Enter a currency. Okay, here currency is INR. Press enter. See, this is copied. This is copied from a data dictionary. So now coming to here, a single value, we need to select multiple values here. Why we need to select multiple values? For order value, always we are going to use multiple values only. See, this is the order value. The order value is a characteristics. For these characteristics, we are going to have characteristics value. First one value less than 100, second one between 101 to 500, third one is a value above 501. That means we are not going to have one value. Here we have three characteristics value, 1, 2, 3. So that is the reason we selected multiple values. In real time, we are not going to get exactly 100, 101, 500. So we are going to allow the interval as well. See, here we have intervals. If it is value is less than 100, that means 99, 95, 80, it could be anything. That is the reason we are going to select this interval values allowed. Select this, press enter, go to notes. Here I mentioned select multiple values, select intervals, click on values tab, characteristics value. Click on this one, values tab. This is the place. Here we are defining for these characteristics, the possible characteristics values are these three. These three, value less than, value between, value above. So how to define this one? First one is a value less than 100 based on this strategy. So press F1, value, look for value less than. See, this is less than. Copy this. You can enter directly, but it is better to take from F1 help. Enter here 100 if value is less than 100. See, system automatically adding INR. Second, press F1, value is between greater than this value. Close this, copy here, replace this value with our release strategy values 101, 500. Now press enter. Do the same for third one, value above greater than, copy here 501. Press enter. We have successfully created this characteristics values here. Save this. Define a next characteristics here. This is done successfully. Copy this, document type, click on entries, go to additional data, This is CKKO, field name is this. Press enter. Here we are going to use single value only. In our requirement we have only one value. Order type is NB. So now next step is to go to values. Here enter NB here. NB, this is description, order type. Save this. This is defined. Now purchasing organization. Click on new entries, go to additional data. Take this technical name. Press enter. Single value only. Now go to values. Purchasing organization 8800 8800 purchasing organization. Save this. This is done. Now company code. Click on new entries, go to additional data. Here copy this technical name, press enter, go to values, enter your company code 8800 company code. Here we are going to use one single only. We don't have multiple values here. I am going to use this for based on my requirement only. Now next step is to create a plant. Copy this, go here, click on create, go to additional data. Here copy this, press enter. Go to values, characteristics value is 8801. 8801 plant. Save this. We have successfully completed this step. Up to here define plant. Next step is to define a class. That we will see in the next session.